Have you ever wondered how to get a team to reach that highest level of performance? I have, and I've really worked hard to try to bring teams along in that direction. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the Drexler Sibbet Team Performance Model. This model I learned from the Grove Associates. It's a consulting company, and they talk about graphic facilitation, and they have this really cool model, and it involves 7 steps on how to bring a team to that high performance. I'll just take you through each step and the questions that are in your brain or as a team member at each step. So there are basically 7 steps, and I'll kind of show it to you graphically with my hand. So first you have orientation, and the second step is trust building, goal clarification, commitment, implementation, high performance, and renewal. So let's just go through each step. Orientation, typically a team member is thinking to themselves, why am I here? You need to answer that question. Why am I here? What are we trying to do? But first you're answering that why question. So what's the purpose? What's the team identity? Who are we? What's the membership of the group? So the second step, trust building. You're thinking about who are you? If you're on that team, you're like, who are the people around me? Is there mutual regard? That's the trust thing, right? Are people being forthright? Are they reliable? That's all about trust. So you want to try to build that trust. At every stage that I'm going to talk about, you need to use certain tools and exercises to get people to feel that each question is answered. So the first one is, why am I here? The second one is, who are you? And the third is, what are we doing? That's goal clarification. So things like, what are the explicit assumptions? What are the goals? What's the shared vision? So you're going to do kind of vision exercises for that, right? And then the fourth step, which is down at that bottom, which I'm talking about this little V here, is commitment. And you're asking, how will we do it? How are we going to get there? What are the things the tools we're going to use? What are the roles that each person's going to have? What are the resources that we have? Do we have enough money to do this? What decisions are going to be made? Obviously, it's important to have management involved with some of these meetings so you can get the commitment. Fifth, implementation. Obviously, who does what, when, and where. So all those action items. What are the processes? Are we aligned to move forward? Are we disciplined in our execution? So that's step 5. 6, when you're already in this implementation stage and you're going beyond, you're in that high performance stage and you're thinking to yourself, wow, we are doing such great things. There's spontaneous interaction, there's synergy, surpassing the results that we even thought. I mean, not all teams get there, but these are the steps and these are the exercises. Well, actually, I'll be talking about the exercises in future videos that you can use to get to teams to that high performance stage. That's the wow stage. And the 7th stage, which is even beyond high performance, it's when the project is over or needs to be revitalized. That's called renewal. And it's like, why are we continuing? And you also have recognition and celebration, and talk about the staying power. Those are the 7 steps. And as I said, in future videos, I'll try to describe some exercises that I use typically to help you get people through all those stages. My name is Jeff Landau. Check out my website, BusinessChallenges.us.